Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. My name is Mukwa Nandija, and we're going to do a little song for you right about now. The song is called Will I Ever See You Again? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me when you talked about him. I remember your ways and you and me in a sad embrace. I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. You and me in a pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. I remember your ways and you and me in a sad embrace. But I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever Hey y'all, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am Emily, and over here we've got the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons. OJIBWE. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. And over here, of course, we have the lovely and the talented, get out of here, Natasha. OJIBWE. Natasha, say hello, darling. Hey everybody, welcome to the show. And finally, we've got the star of the show, Mr. NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO. Okay, BOOZHOO. Now, if y'all just settle in, sit down, nub-a-dub in, and please welcome NANABOOZHOO. They don't play it no more, but I remember a time in 1984, or maybe 85. They sang the Salvation Army band played, and the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. But the bitters came on better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came on better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say. Never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as the train rolled out the side of the station, and through an open window came, like Sinatra in a younger day, pushing the clouds away. Came on better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. The bitters came on better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say, they say, they say, they say. 1963, felt like the world would freeze. It's John F. Kennedy and no baseball.
Hello, love. How are you then? Sorbet an indigenous cause. Sorbet is my name. Sasquatch, you might call me. Some people call me Bigfoot. I always thought that was right rude, isn't it? My feet aren't big. My feet is just the way Gitchimana, the Great Spirit, wanted them to be. Bigfoot indeed. Well, I don't know. I just don't know. You know one thing I do know? You can support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, by simply clicking on the links in the description. That's right. We've got a Patreon page. You can support us a little bit every month. We got a PayPal page. Give us a tip, why don't you? And we got the GoFundMe page. Oh. We also have books for sale by the what they call a rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Oh, he's got some really good books. Available at Amazon.com. That's right. Anyway, I guess that's all I had to say for today. I just don't know.
Stood there in the back of the church of a broken people, listening to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. But then a man started talking about the devil and the Bible was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy, it ain't the whiskey that's killing me, that's killing me, that's killing me. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey. Oh, that's really cool, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the Gitojigan on the guitar. Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Oh, thanks. You and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. Got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bled. It was the summer of '85. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Joey quit, Timmy got married, should have known that we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, that summer seemed to last forever. And if I had my choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Standing around hanging by the drive-in. And that's when I met you, standing on your mama's porch. You told me that you'd wait forever. And when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. were killing time. We were young and restless. We needed to unwind. I guess nothing can last forever, forever, no. La-dee-dee-da. In the summer of '85. That was the summer of '85. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Check, 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 check 1 2, check 1 2. It's just seeing how well the audio. Let's see, how do you want to do this?
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask how she
I don't know if I got a lot.
sees when she
Um,
looks. She's
alright.
watching you and me.
Do you want to look at some gibberish?
And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snow finds its way up her nose. And
Hey,
don't
Grandma. What is it, honey? Have you seen my coat?
she
Did you check the closet? Did I check the closet?
send me
Oh no, I was looking in the fridge here. Thanks. What a good tip. Oh, here it is. Never mind.
I can only say that I've seen better days, and this is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take.
Well, I've decided to quit the show. You're quitting the show? Why? Well, I just figured it's time, Sometimes a man's just gotta do what a man's gotta do, right? You understand, don't you? No. Well, I'm sorry, Natasha, but I gotta do this.
So messed
But I'm gonna miss
up,
you.
don't know why
I know.
I even
I'm gonna miss you too.
This is the best I could do with what I had and all I knew, and we will fight all night. I don't see how we got here now, and this is all I have, and now it's all I have to give. But I can only say that I've seen better days. This is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, maybe tomorrow. Oh, maybe tomorrow.
I don't know, you got anything you want to add to this? I don't know. Yeah, I guess. So, just want to remind everyone, if you want to support this show financially,
you can send us a PayPal, buy us a cup of makere mash kiki wabu, buy us a cup of coffee. Or we have a Patreon page where people sign up monthly. And if you sign up on Patreon, we'll send you a book like Snow on Skin. Or just come over to YouTube and subscribe. We got a lot of fun stuff over there too. Alright. I don't know, I guess that's all I had to say.
Okay. Alright. Well, let's just wrap it up then.
Okay.